Hello, we have our one more patient who lengthened 7 centimeter bilateral tibia successfully, and his callus is good, and now he's in walking state. So it's time to go home, and we'll know about his journey, how he spent here time in frame and in normally, how was activity and what was your starting height?
My starting height was 155.
155. So now you 160.
Yeah, 7 centimeter.
7 centimeter length. Okay. So how's your journey in frame? Entire lengthening if we talk about. I think we posted your first interview, hospital interview.
Yeah, so this probably will be my third interview after my surgery.
Third interview.
Yeah. So my first interview was done during the hospital stay, and then the second was, I think it was around like while I was 3 centimeter. Yeah. And this is my third interview.
Final interview.
Yeah, final interview. And like Sir have said, I will say like I'm recovering well. And today I'm leaving, which is like
After 5 months.
yeah. It is already 5 months and 11 days running. So my friends also were asking me like, "Are you excited to go?" Like I was like, "I'm not excited also, but I like it's already 5 months and then I've got a little bit attached to this place. Like this place is already a home for me. So like kind of a little bit emotional." But yeah, so far like I've said, this is my 5th month and then 11 days running. And then like from the starting of the surgery, like I have also said this in my first interview, like the treatment I received there was like, I have no words to say. Like the treatment I got from the hospital was like, this is world class. And then like shifting to the rehab, I will say like everything was like planned, and then I have no complaint with any of the treatment, be it like the visitation of the doctor and then like the physical therapist, like everything was arranged and everything was like, I have no words to say there. So like all this 5-month journey, like from the initial, from my frame journey till frame removal, like I have no issue, no serious issue. Of course, like in frame, there were times like you have sleepless night, they were bent. You know that this is not a light journey. Of course, like this is a surgery, so like pain is expected, and like expected in a sense like it's not something like you cannot handle it. So like the team is prepared with every kind of like problem, like any kind of issue, so you have no issue with that. So yeah, my journey was, so to say, like it was normal, it was good, and then like till today like everything was fine.
So from how long have you been planning this surgery? And why?
Yeah, I would say like this surgery, like I started researching during like 2024 January, I think. But then I was doing my master, and then I was doing my research thesis, and then for which I could not do this surgery. So like I was in contact with this team, and then like once I submitted my thesis, I was in contact with them, and then like yeah, I happened to come here, and then it was somewhere like 5 to 6 months.
5 to 6 months.
And then like I was browsing through the internet, I was browsing through the YouTube channels, and then like I was convinced, and okay, let me come here. And then
And is there any personal or professional reason?
it's just a personal reason, yeah.
So are you satisfied now?
Yeah, I'm satisfied.
Plus 7 centimeter.
Yeah, I'm satisfied.
So how you felt when you stood first time?
Yeah, height is also.
And now you're walking also, you independent walking also. How you feeling?
Yeah, height is also the thing, but then like after like you are being like sleeping for like 3-4 months, and then finally able to get up on your feet and then walking, I think that experience is like, I don't know, I don't know how to explain that experience. It's just like, yeah. And then like time to time I used to go to the gate, ground floor, and then that just visit, and then like the feeling you get there is just, you are like, I'm also one of them. Yeah. So the experience is like fantastic. Yeah.
Okay. And do you want to say anything about this height thing? Why people want to go into surgery? Is there the height this much affect people?
Yeah, like sir, I would say like there will be.
I know this is person to person.
Yeah, it depends on the person. Like I would say, yeah, it does affect a person, and then like I think most people, like I would say like 80 to 90% are like due to professional for their career, and then nobody will be like, I don't want to increase my height, but I just did the surgery. I think that would be false. So I think everybody has their own reason for doing that, and then like I think yeah, this really does affect a person, like, and then like I think for personal reason they get this surgery done. Yeah.
Okay. And you want to give any suggestion for those people who is planning for limb lengthening and searching for the center?
Yeah.
So I think I've said this in my second interview also, like once you cross your growing stage, I think there is no medicine that can, like magic can let you grow. So surgery is the only option. Yeah, so like if you're someone like you really wanted to increase your height maybe for your professional or maybe like for your relationship purpose, because that is also included like
Yes.
yeah. So I think surgery is the only option for that. So if you are really, I mean like if you really want to grow taller or like after your stage is grown, then like I think you have to consider like going for surgery. That is the only option. So like if you are decided to go for surgery, you do proper research and then like you try to like
How you did your research and why you choose height increase info?
like I've said, like I was not into this height surgery because I never knew that this exists also in India. I never knew that like people like break their bone to grow taller. This is like totally new things for me. Like I used to think like there could be some medicine or like some injection that can help people, but surgery was like that was out of my mind.
Okay.
But then like I don't know how I came across this, but I came across this into an internet. Like there is a surgery done even in India.
India.
So like I get to get a little bit interested, and then I started doing research even abroad as well. But then, as we all know, like the cost factor is higher outside, and then that is like not applicable for everyone. So I started to search here, and then like I came across height increase info, and then I also came across like some institution as well, like who are doing this. But like I said, according to my research, I find it very convenient here. The physios, like the care they provide. So like I was convinced, like yeah, I should go there. And then like till now, like I have no regrets coming here. So I'm very much satisfied with it. Yeah, I'm very much satisfied with the team. Like everyone, like the staff, especially the physio station. Like I think like the progress that I'm having now is all credit to the physio, because like the surgery is done by the doctor. If you are done under the expert, that is okay. But then it is the physio. According to me, it is the physio is going to let you walk. So if you've done the surgery and then sleep on the bed for like 5-6 months, nobody's going to help you walk. So it is the physio that you take. So I think yeah, the team here is excellent. And then like I have no like if someone want to do surgery, I think this is also a place that you can consider. Yeah, I think resume for you.
Anything else you want to say?
I think that's it. Like, I just want to give thanks to this height increase info, like for the support. And like, Sarah has been like, even in my frame journey, Sarah will keep on telling me like, don't be lazy. Go to the gym, like do exercise. Like that really helped me. And then like on my frame, I never go like do gym also, because I was confined to most of my room, so like sometimes you get bored. But then like after my frame removal, like I spend most of the time in the gym, and then it does help a lot, like communicating with people. Yeah, so I think overall, like I want to say thanks to all the staff for the support. And then like now, like I said in my first thing, like this has become a family, not just a
Yes,
bit.
we are family now.
It's become a family. So like yeah, I feel home away from home, and then like every stuff, and then every care they provide is, I have no words to say. And then like I just want to say thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. So this is his entire journey till 7 centimeter, and most probably we'll post his final interview. Maybe
Yeah.
he will come back here
Yeah. Yes.
later. And now he is walking without any aid also.
Yeah.
And Kailash is also in growing stage. So this is his final interview. Till then, if you want to know anything regarding the limb lengthening, limb reconstruction, number is given below. Thank you.